Oh yeah. Definitely sharp, definitely sharp. I thought when you were coming close to April, the spring has arrived, but I was wrong. It's -1 degrees, freezing. Hope that doesn't set any stopper for the courtship of the great crested grebe. So yeah, now you know where I am. Oh, there's a gold lion. 2 males. Many of you are asking me about why I use so often camouflage, and there is a couple of reasons for that. One, of course, the main reason is you can get a lot closer to birds, but also get them to be relaxed and not disturbed and behave naturally. So of course that is the main thing. And secondly, I also hide for the humans. So here in this lake here, there's a lot of walkers, dog walkers, and I don't want them to come up here and ask me if I'm okay laying here flat, almost dead. So, and that can also cause that they are disturbing the birds around me. So I'm also hiding for the humans. But first of all, it's less that I disturb birds and their natural behavior. And I use a different kind of blinds and hides and camouflage depending on what situation I am in. The grebes started to fish just around me. The spring is full of life. Everything comes to life, and especially when the birds are pairing up, they are doing some different kind of courtship. And that is what I'm after. That is what I'm hoping for. The courtship of the great crested grebe. starting to fish now. So it's right outside here. Need to keep quiet. It's back down in the water, but it's such a beautiful little bird with that colors. Oh. Since I'm using a 1.4 teleconverter, I'm at f5.6. But I want that extra reach though, since I have the full frame camera. But with 45 megapixels on the Z9, I can crop into the same size of the D500. Would be the same like having the D500 with that eye tracking mode. And that is really, really beautiful. There's another couple left from me, and if that is the case, might be some like they pushing the limits of their territory. When that has happened, they almost always doing the courtship after pushing the enemies away. They want to bond and know who they're with. I think I got it. And we're not too close to each other though, but definitely courtship, and I think some of them are sharp. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely sharp. And I got it.